Today I want to make an experiment. I want to pick an old computer. It's an old AMD. I have this graphic card here, and I want to test it in some new games to see how it works. I have this old case. It's not very old, but I decided to paint it in gold color. And as a power supply, I will use this Gamdias. It's a Kratos E1 500 watt, and we'll see. I have 4 gigs of RAM, 1 SSD, nothing else. Let's see what we can do here. I'll put this right here. I'll put this here because I don't use it anymore. Now let's put the RAM. One, two, there you go. I have to connect this first because I know it's pretty difficult to put it there after I put the motherboard. Okay. This is the alimentation of the graphic card. There it is. I need to put this. Okay, now I can put the motherboard inside. It's an old motherboard, so I have to connect that cables first, because as you can see here, it's a very small space to infiltrate my hand. And this, I don't have the hands very small. Okay. Do you like my cable management when you're going outside? How about this, huh? Now I will put this back. Isn't this cool? It's a cool looking case. Not the best paint job, but it's fine. Okay. There you go. Simple as that. Oh, by the way, if you want to see the description of this case, I will put some specifications of this case. You can see it on my left side, on my right side, I don't know. Nice, there you go. Is that all? Oh, it's actually working. Oh, I have to show you this. I'll take off this. How about this, huh? For an old computer? Check this out. Oh yeah, as you can see here, I will zoom in. See the processor, Intel Core 2, Intel Core 2 6300, 1.86. Damn, with 4 gigs of RAM. That's incredible. Dun, dun. And we have the Steam. Yay! Oh, I see colors here. This is not gonna work. There's no way this will work. I think that's all we can see here. Yeah, I guess it's a big fail. What a crap. What a waste of time. I will try to stop everything here. Cancel, don't save, close. Oh. Whoa. Okay. Oh, it's what? Oh no. Oh, okay. Oh. Oh. Was freezing in the first seconds. Nah. What the crap. Oh. Okay. Come on, this is not that bad. Oh. Okay, now relax. I will better finish to install this, and then I will make another test. Can handle the heat, my friend. Come on, work, please. Come on, work, please, work. It's working pretty good. Let's drive.
Special Perform Mass Break Channel featuring Aka Production.
Oh, there you go. Oh yeah, this is what I'm talking about. So my friends, if you can't afford to change your entire computer, you can keep your motherboard, your processor and your RAM, and you can play games. There you go. Not bad. Not bad at all. How about this, huh? I'll not show you the FPS because I'm pretty sure they're very low. Never mind. The good thing on this computer is that it's working. Woo! Oh my god! What have you done, my friend? What have you done? Okay. It's working and it's very fast. Let's try with this in these settings here. I will go to high. Okay. Oh yes. Pretty decent, huh? Not the best one, but pretty good. To be honest, I didn't expect to be that good. This experiment. Okay. You can even go with lower profile graphic card. This graphic card is way too much for this processor here. So I guess if you can go on some low profile graphic card, you'll have pretty good results. I want to go on ultra settings. Let me check this. Are you ready? Ultra settings. Oh yeah. It will work. Oh yes, it's working. Okay. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. Not the best way, but at least we have ultra settings on Euro Truck Simulator 2 on a computer that came out on 2007. Only the processor, okay? Processor, motherboard and RAM are 13 years old. For a 13 years old computer, this is not bad at all. This is pretty decent. Yeah. I don't have other games to test here, but let me check. Blah, 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 blah. Library, home. I have the CSGO, but I have to update the game. No. I'll install more games and I will test it. I will test in more games this computer because I'm pretty sure it will work pretty decent. So stay tuned. I'll make another video with this computer. I will install some games, and I'm pretty sure it will not work in GTA 5, but I'll try it. I'll give it a chance. So I'll see you next time, guys.